Good evening. We are about to do some tree trimming here. Actually, not we, Justin. We got some trees in the way of an area that we want to turn into a little garden area for some potatoes and watermelons. So we're going to cut back some trees, limbs, not trees, tree limbs. So we can get more sunlight on it, because behind me there's a tree line and it doesn't get much evening sun, so we'll try to absorb all the morning sun that we can. I'm gonna flip this around here and see what Justin does now. He is not a professional chainsaw man, so this may get interesting. Huh? No tie-offs, no straps. Justin's having some technical difficulties with the chainsaw that we take very good care of. He thinks it's the bar oil, but so he's going to switch it out because we did buy a different brand than we normally do, or something to that effect. I don't know. But stay tuned. These tree limbs are coming down.
Perfect.
Are you okay?
Huh?
Are you okay?
Yeah, you hit or nothing.
It definitely hit you in the arm, it looked like.
Where?
I don't know. It just looked like it did.
Oh no. No, it's all straight now.
Can you not try to get that all over your pants? All over your jacket?
Well, the jacket, that's why I put this jacket on. But
Why don't you get up in the tree above it so when it falls you're not beneath it?
don't even need a damn saw.
Well then stand over there and push it on further, because it's going to fall right on your ladder. Go on the other side of it and push it over. He almost did. He's almost done.
So that piece just falling.
It's about to.
But it's not time now. We need something that shot. That is harder and take it out. It's not time. It's falling. Ah!
There you go. I did my part.
Mommy. I'm taking now.
Yes.
What do you think, Mom? You think that's enough, or?
That little one, I mean, all those things are not going to block the sun, because the sun had come through right through here.
It can turn into
Okay, with a little bit of some new bar oil, I guess the bar oil that we had in there was too thick and not lubricating the chain well enough, so that's why it kept seizing up. But as you can see, we got him down, and Justin's cut up a couple burnable, easier to carry to the burn pits. And now I am going to quit filming. This is just a little quick job that we needed to get done this afternoon, and the sun's about to go down, and I'm gonna go inside and figure out something for dinner. I got some pepperoni mozzarella sourdough to throw in the oven, so that's what I'm gonna do. You guys hit that like, subscribe, turn on your alerts. We really appreciate you spending this time with us this evening. You guys keep doing your best and stay blessed.